Hi guys, welcome back to Basics with Toni. This week's video is focusing on, as you've seen in the title, blending. So I start by stamping in a colour into my outer corner. I stamp it in so that you see as much pigment as possible. This is also a hack when using colours that are not the most pigmented, so they don't sort of blend away. You pack it on as much as possible. I then go in with a lighter colour, and I also stamp that in for the same reason, so that you keep the pigment and each colour has its shining moment. As I'm doing this, I'm also making sure that I layer it on top of the colour I've applied already. It just makes it easier for when you go in blending a little bit later. I'm now going back in with the first colour that I used, and I'm just softening out the edges. I've found that as I've learnt to blend, it really is the preparation to blending that makes the most difference to the overall look, rather than the blending by itself. As you see on this side, because I didn't layer the other colour, when I now come to soften the edges of the original colour, that colour seems to be disappearing, and I will have difficulties blending it out later. So now the blending begins. You just use light circular motions and tap back into the palette every time you need to. It's better to go in with a light hand and very softly than to pack it all on and try and blend it out afterwards. I've had to learn that the hard way. So this is the best way to do it. It also takes less time, even though it may not seem like that currently. Just blend, blend, blend. So I hope I have taught you a thing or two about the process of blending. But let me know what you guys think of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Is there anything else I forgot? Oh yeah, so now you will see what good and not so good blending looks like, and it's literally in a matter of steps. So come back next time to learn more. Bye.